Title: Korean braised short ribs dungalbijim recipe. Introduction. Hello, foodies. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of Korean cuisine. With a mouth-watering recipe for braised short ribs, known as dungalbijim in Korean. These succulent, fall-off-the-bone ribs are simmered to perfection in a rich, flavorful sauce. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. Ingredients. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this delicious dish. 2 pounds of beef short ribs dungalbi, 1 cup soy sauce, 12 cup mirin, 14 cup sugar, 1 onion, chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cups water. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the short ribs. Start by preparing the short ribs. Rinse them under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. In a mixing bowl, combine soy sauce, mirin, sugar, chopped onion, minced garlic, sesame oil, and black pepper. Mix until the sugar dissolves, creating a savory marinade. Place the short ribs in a large bowl or zip-top bag. Pour the marinade over the ribs, making sure each piece is well coated. Allow them to marinate for at least 2 hours. Or, for the best flavor, overnight in the refrigerator. Step 2. Cook the short ribs. Heat a large pot over medium-high heat. Sear the marinated short ribs until they develop a caramelized crust on all sides. Pour in 2 cups of water, covering the ribs. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot, and let it simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. This slow cooking process ensures tender, flavorful ribs. Once done, the meat should easily pull away from the bone. Serve the braised short ribs over a bed of rice, spooning some of the cooking liquid on top. Garnish with chopped green onions for a pop of freshness. Conclusion. There you have it, a delightful Korean dish of braised short ribs. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tasty recipes, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy cooking!